Hi friends, here are my predictions for 2025 for USA. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Uh, Today is 20th January. I should have done this last year. But first, I want to say I expect the US economy to grow in 2025 better than last year, 2024. But there are some unfavorable periods in 2025 based on karmic influences. These are from early February, from next month, to late June. I don't mean every single day in between here, on average, and then late September to December. Here are the peak dates of these negative karmic influences. When I say peak means, that's the highest point in a influence, and then whatever events happens, like week before or earlier period, and then it peaks on, like, say, March 12th, and then it starts to go down. Same way, like April 20th, it starts before April 20th, and then it starts to go down. Same way the other dates. With these negative karmic influences, I expect trade issues, like existing trade agreements may have issues. Also, there can be strained relationship with the neighboring countries like Canada and Mexico, also international partners. There can be unresolved issues. There will be increased misinformation, and media will have their own narratives. Also, we'll have a lot of polarized political environment and the credibility issues. There will be criticism of USA global leader role, also moral authority and leadership issues like war, climate change, human rights can arise, and the trade issues as I discussed earlier. Also, there will be shifting alliances or tensions in international relations will definitely happen. There is going to be tax reforms where deep divisions in wealth distribution can happen. Wealthy will get wealthy more, poor get poorer. That's always happens. Why would wealthy get more wealth? Is because of good karma that they brought to this life. That is why it happens to them. And also there'll be polarization of ideological issues, groups clash over values, priorities, and the rights. There will be severe weather issues, events can happen closer to some of those peak dates that I mentioned. Also, there will be cyber security threats, some ethical problems, that kind of things can happen in this period. The climate change is not going to be the priority in these kind of situations. These predictions are based on fructifying collective karma of the United States of America, Jyotish karma chart. Finally, here is the USA independence karma chart. My main objective is to show that karma is real, and I want to show that things can be predicted accurately using this USA independence karma chart. Also, if you have questions, please note it in the comments. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching.